Go that way, Chris.
No, this way.
No, you're straight out that way. You're actually better at going that way. See what you got. Oh, shit. That's a big one. That's a big one. Ah, very cool. Very cool. Preston said, hey, I didn't know this was a working hunt. Jeez Louise. That's a big old hog there. Nice. Nice. All right. Hopefully we got some of the video footage. I tried to get on the thermal. That's how you field dress it out here. All right. That'll make it just a little bit easier to load up on the Ranger. That's a big hog. That's a big hog. And you guys are on. Well, Mr. Preston, how's it going so far?
Well, we got one. We saw three. We hit all three of them, but we don't know where those two went. But they dropped her.
Yeah, that one actually was one of the ones that came running at you.
Yeah,
so,
she was confused.
So what happened with that one? How'd you end up when it ran past you? So what happened?
We put 2 shots at her, then she went up into the trees and she stopped, and we turned around and
there was
the young one back there. We busted them at the same time.
So very cool. That's a pretty good size. Cody says about 180. I'm saying about 200. So the
Pesos.
And pesos. And pesos. All right, so we're gonna try and to go to a different spot and see if we can't get lucky there, because I think we're pretty much done with this spot and that all the noise is made. So let's get out there and do some more. All right, here we go.
Let's go. Let's do some stacking.
Oh, so this is your first thermal hunt, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
actually, did he not? And this is my first time shooting hogs with guns. He actually got off of a raffle. Yes, sir.
Got off of what?
I won the hunt through a raffle with Texas Hog Hunters.
Oh,
yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
So
I tell you everything.
I know. Yeah. Hey, I'm old. You know, okay, I'm half a century old. Still sexy, but half a century old. Hey, I gotta tell myself whatever works. So anyway, Preston, that's right. You won this hunt through Texas Hog Hunter Association. So I'm glad we got you on to something. It's your first thermal hunt, and on you right off the back, first time you shot a pig. So outstanding. So let's go see if we can't shoot some more.
Yeah.
All right, let's roll. Well, our hunt is done. We attempted to go get some more hogs, but we didn't luck out. And but that's hunting. That's why they call it hunting. So you got to make the attempt, and we did a good. We had a good time, and we actually on that first one we didn't tell you is Preston will tell you we actually it actually took us a little while. No lie, a lot of stalking to get to it. The only reason we were able to find them is that old Cody here was actually able to find their turds. Did I say that? Did I say that right? Was it? Tell me that's not true.
Yeah, Cody, he knew exactly where them pigs were going, and we walked a long way.
But we got there.
Well, we got there, and Cody tracked them down, and they made a big trek and went back to where the feeder was at. So we lucked out.
We did a big loop.
Yeah. So there's the hog. Nice size hog, Mr. Preston. That's a good job there. So that hog's going to end up getting donated to. Where's it getting donated to?
American Legion.
The American Legion. So that's this not only appreciate the Texas Hog Hunter Association. By the way, Mr. Scott Dover and everybody.
I just seen on your post that you got new hats. So don't forget. I done told you like 5 times I need a new hat. My dog ate it.
He's like a nag, man. It just don't stop. It just don't stop.
You're getting as bad as Hector asking for some more shirts and stuff.
Anyway, we had fun. We're glad we had Mr. Preston here. Mr. Preston, I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Oh, I loved it.
Good.
So I bet when they have another drawing, you hope you hit that.
Yeah.
Hit it again,
I hope so.
I figured.
Thanks for coming along.
Later, guys.
See y'all later.